Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can add trailer videos in your YouTube channel. So for example, if you come to YouTube and search for my channel, Epic Mentorship, you search for my channel and you can see it over here. You just click on it to open. What you will first see is this trailer that talks about the channel.
Hi guys, my name is Dr. Rashid and welcome.
Okay, so this is just the welcoming message that you can always put at the trailer at the beginning of your website of your channel, for anyone that clicks and get to your channel can view this first to know a bit about the channel, what it does, what you are focusing on, and who you are. So to add this to your channel, all you need to do is to log into your channel, and then you can come all the way to customize your channel over here. All right, so you click on customize channel and you can see it over here. View spotlight, add a video to the top of your channel homepage. So once you can add the video immediately over here. Okay, so this is where you add it, and you can also use this option to change the video if you want to change it, or to remove the video. If you are tired of it, you can remove it, or you can change it to another video. Okay, additionally, you can put featured videos for returning subscribers. Once they come back, they can meet you and they can listen to what this channel is all about. So you can also put in featured video. You can change, you can even put your most immediate video. Once it is there, you can just change it and put the featured video as your most immediate video, or the latest video that you have made. So but for this tutorial for today, this is just a brief about how to put in the trailer video within your YouTube channel. Okay, so it's very easy to bring in the trailer video. So you just make the video on your own, describing what the channel is all about and who you are and what you target and what problem you solve or what benefits you provide, and then you can upload it over here. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.